2019 Volvo S90 Test Drive, 2019 Volvo S90 India, 2019 Volvo S90 T8 Inscription, 2019 Volvo S90 Hybrid, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Volvo brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Volvo S90 Test Drive, 2019 Volvo S90 India, 2019 Volvo S90 T8 Inscription, 2019 Volvo S90 Hybrid, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Volvo S90 Test Drive, 2019 Volvo S90 India, 2019 Volvo S90 T8 Inscription, 2019 Volvo S90 Hybrid, new cars by, photograph and video, cost and hardware, details of the broadened rendition of the Volvo S90L in extravagance excellence. The official debut of the extravagance car Volvo S90 Perfection, if converted into Russian excellence, is booked for the Guangzhou Motor Show in 2016 in China, November 19th to 27th. Be that as it may, without sitting tight for the official service, the administration of Geely Auto Group chose to exhibit the curiosity somewhat prior, on November 2nd at an uncommon occasion in Shanghai. The generation of extravagance vehicle is as of now settled in China, the dispatch of offers of Volvo S90 Excellence, proposed only for the Chinese market. This article is just a rumor. What is so fascinating in the new Volvo car that we chose to commit a full survey to it? 2019 Volvo S90 review. To start with, we have a broadened variant the Volvo S90L, which varies from the standard 4-entryway Volvo C90 car with a 120mm wheelbase estimate and, obviously, a bigger general body length. Besides, the oddity is offered only with 3 separate seats, a driver's seat and 2 seats for travelers at the back of the lodge. The traveler situate in the primary line is held for the first lounge console framework. Third, the extravagance vehicle from Volvo in the execution of excellence guarantees an awesome level of solace because of the nearness of an enormous number of choices. Fourthly, the chic car is outfitted not just with intense 249 and 320 in number oil motors, yet in addition with a 407 in number half-breed control unit. So we have a genuine Swedish flawlessness. 2019 Volvo S90 exterior and interior. The outside measurements of the body of the Volvo S90 excellence of it are 5,083 mm long, 1,879 mm in width, 1,450 mm in stature, with 3,061 mm of wheelbase. Expanding the separation between the axles by 12 cm contrasted with the standard car permitted to fundamentally build the measure of free space for travelers of the second line in the lodge of the broadened variant. Outwardly recognize the same Volvo S90 with the prefix L from a regular car must be seen from the side, deliberately evaluating the extent of the back entryways. The extended Volvo S90L, with the word, is accessible for buy-in with a typical 5-seater cantina, yet we are keen on a luxuriously prepared Volvo S90 Excellence in a 3-seater form with a chip notwithstanding lounge console. This comfort is introduced setup of the front traveler situate and is a multifunctional hardware, a hassock with a concealed specialty for putting away replaceable shoes, and on the section is connected an interactive media framework with a substantial screen and console. As a standard hardware, the chic vehicle inspires with the nearness of a wide range of chips, all seats with electric change, warming, ventilation and back rub work, napkins with cooling and warming, a gigantic all-encompassing rooftop zone of more than 1.5 square meters, an icebox, Napa cowhide trim with enlivening supplements from normal wood, a sight and sound complex with a shading 9.5-inch touchscreen Sensus Connect, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Obviously, the advanced dashboard, 4-zone atmosphere control, versatile journey control, an arrangement of city safety security frameworks with crisis braking and person on foot, bike, and creature identification, the Q Assist framework for driving the other way, stop and go voyage control, a run rough terrain insurance framework that recognizes the start of the auto's takeoff from the street and kills the risk. There is additionally park assist, a right hand for turning around moves, a 360-degree C camera and pilot assist. 2019 Volvo S90 specifications. For a vast car, 2 gas turbocharged motors of the Drive-E arrangement are offered, and a half-and-half form of the model will show up, a transmission of 8 programmed transmissions. Petroleum renditions. Volvo S90 Excellence T5 with 2.0-liter 250 drive motor. Volvo S90 Excellence T6 with a 2.0-liter 320 drive motor. Half and half form of the Volvo S90 Excellence T8 with a crossbreed control plant with an aggregate limit of more than 400 powers, oil 320 HP 2.0 twin engine and an electric engine with a limit of more than 80 steeds. Thanks.